Good morning. Everybody's there?
Yes, Sumit.
All are present?
Yes, Sumit.
So we can start. Okay, fine. So here I'm just creating a module, but from time being, I'm not be creating any module. We will means we can modify later one. Is for the initial, we can just create a home component in your app routing module in our folders. Okay, initially we can just do these things. We can modify later one for that lazy loading module. Okay, so we will see later, don't worry. Initially I just created the home component, and that home component is directly we can mention the configuration setting in your app routing module, and we can navigate from this dot router dot navigate home. Okay, so it is initially navigate properly. If you log in that, it navigate your local column 4200/home. Okay, but when we navigate from login component the home component, it is display the images. Okay, I don't want to render that image on your home component. Okay, so for that we have to just use a lifecycle hook of Angular. That is, I have to implement one more interface. Just I can add here on ngDestroy or on destroy. Okay, so we can on destroy. Okay, we can use on destroy method. That is one of the lifecycle hook of Angular. I think we can just mention on destroy. I just copy that and just we can import here on destroy. Okay, that is the interface. I just import that method on destroy, ng on destroy. Okay, I just set it and use at the end of that for the proper readability purpose. There is no meaning that you have to ng on destroy, always keep it as a last method. There is no nothing, but just for the code readability purpose, I'm just using this at the end. ng on destroy, I can set here whatever the class we set on ng on init, I have to remove that class from the document, because already in the login component we set that image on the login component and set the image for that document. Right now I have, when we navigate from login to home component, I have to remove that image. For that we use a document dot body and use class name, and just we can set blank. The blank indicates there is no any class set for that component for that document. When we relieve that component from login to home component, so we set it as a blank. When we check out here, now in home component there is no any image present at the background. Okay, means on the document. If you check out in login component, you are in login component, here path localhost colon 4200/login. In that case your image is present, but when we log in that, there is no image present on your home component. So programmatically we can set the image to our document. So for that we use a ngOnDestroy. It is one of the lifecycle hook of Angular that we already implement that interface on destroy, and we can use that ngOnDestroy. In that we use document.body and set a blank class. Blank class is mean that there is no any class we have to set. Okay,